Hello and welcome. Who is the instructor? My name is Mohammed Zaid. I am from Libya and I am going to be your instructor in this course. So I am in love with the volunteering work. That's why I am working as a YouTuber. So I'm trying to share my knowledge and everything I have on my YouTube channel: programming classes, math classes, calculator classes, Arabic classes, and more. And also that's why I'm working here on Udemy. I'm trying to share my knowledge with you and everything I have with you through courses, and I use it to put my courses a lot of time for free. And also I am offering coupons for students those cannot pay or cover the fees of the course. And also I am working with another teaching platform called Mahara. It's an Arabian one. I'm sharing my knowledge and the same content with them, but in another language, in Arabic language. So I think now we know each other. I know maybe that's very much it, but enough for now. And I'm going to be really happy if you would love to share and introduce yourself in private message or in the discussion forum. So I hope you like the course and enjoy. And to me, the most important thing in all of these things, that I hope you benefit from course, and I really encourage you to take it and enroll in it. So thank you very much for watching and see you in the class.